Hello, I'm Darcy Armstrong, Public Service Manager at Eckhart Public Library, and as we continue Resource Week, I want to show you NoveList Plus. To get there, go to Resources. Then we want to come down to Books and Media. NoveList Plus helps you find a book that you might be looking for. If you're looking for your next great read, and you can search by genre, read-alike, time periods, or what they call appeal terms. To use this resource, you will need your Eckhart Public Library card if you're using it off-site. So first of all, there are browsable lists and collections if you prefer to just be surprised. And there are collections for adults, teens, and children. I can also search for an author I like, let's say. And I can get a description and a full list of books and series. So maybe if you're a completist, you want to make sure you're getting all the Nora Roberts books read. You can view lists here. You can view author read-alikes along one side, or if there was a particular book you liked, you can click on that, and on that entry, in that entry for that book, there's descriptive information in there. So there's information about genre, but also about how the book is written, what the characters are like, and what the subjects are. And those things, especially those appeal terms that have to do with tone, writing style, and theme, can really help you when you're searching for books you like. Because if you're like me, I don't necessarily know how to explain what I like about a certain thing. But if I look at this and think, oh, yes, I do like paranormal romances, but also have a heartwarming tone, you can select those terms and then search for more items like that. You can also perform an advanced search if you like. If you're only looking for teen or children's items, if you're only looking for items that are award winners, all of these different categories will help you refine your search. I'll also tell you, you can search if something is available in audiobook or not, which is another thing I really like. The browse by categories are really interesting. So you can browse by genre. So if you're looking for mystery or crime, fantasy, that's very helpful. But you can also browse by those appeal terms because there's a lot of variation. There's a lot of diversity within the mystery genre, for example. Or maybe you don't care about genre. You just want something that's fast-paced and action-packed. You can select a book, read a description, see what some reviewers had to say. If you find something you like, you can always place it on hold through Evergreen or have a staff member place the hold for you.